before Adverity, it was just a lot of manual work. And right now it's a one-time setup and then it flows basically.
I believe that good decisions are always based on facts. And to create real facts, I need data. And I need to be able to work with data and make it accessible.
In my setup, I wanted to make sure that everyone in our company is able to access our data, because I don't want to be another silo.
Our finance department is working with data. Of course, our e-commerce team is working with data.
So the process before we had Adverity was a little bit medieval, I would say, because as it is in most companies, we used Excel a lot, and I really mean a lot. And our email inbox grew and grew and grew because we sent a lot of Excel files and PowerPoint files for our reports. And as the data sources grew, we had to come up with a different setup. Adverity is implementing more and more connectors. I was just checking the changelog a few minutes ago and there's another connector I can use.
Adverity has helped us to really start working with our data, to connect our data silos and to create stories out of these now connected silos. Also to connect more data touch points and create greater insights out of that. And of course, it makes our operations or the working with data for us more efficient. And in the end, of course, helps us then to save resources when it comes to creating reports, when it comes to pulling together different information sources and so on.
I worked with similar tools in the past, but compared to those, I feel that Adverity offers way more possibilities.
IKEA is transforming now into a multi-channel future. I truly believe that data will be key of being a true multi-channel retailer with tailor-made solutions for the many people.